Hi, my name is Mohamedullah. I'm from Canada, and I've had hair loss since the past 12 years. It was progressively decaying, and I've almost lost 60% of my hair from the top. I came to know about New Roots Hair Clinic from my brother, who was a patient here, and he's had successful operation here, which gave me a little bit more confidence that I could do this. And I've had great service from this team here. I think the service here is top-notch. There's a whole team behind me that worked on the surgery, and I think I was cared for very well, so I appreciate that. And like my brother, I'm hopeful that I'll have good results too. Thank you. Thanks to New Roots, and all the best for their success.